Assalamualaikum friends, I am Naveed Adib from Technology Hub. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about proper function in Excel. What is proper function? Proper function is categorized as a string or a text function in Excel. The proper function converts the first character to uppercase and rest to lowercase. Basically, the proper function in Excel is used to convert your input text to proper case. It can be used to capitalize each word in a given string. The proper function in Excel will not affect numbers and punctuations in the given text or string. It will only convert the first character to uppercase and all the other letters to lowercase. How to implement proper function in Excel? So now we are going to input a proper function here. I press in cell C2 is equal to proper bracket start. Here is only one arguments or parameters text. The text this parameters the string arguments whose first character in each word will be converted to uppercase and all remaining characters converted to lowercase. So here we can implement we can type here text or given a reference cell number, and I will give to a reference cell number A2, bracket close, and then press enter. You can see the Albina first letter is capital and uppercase and all other are in lowercase. You can see here we can type here uh, some capital letters. You can see here, then we can drag this formula to here. You can see first letter is capital uppercase and our other left characters are a lowercase. We can double click here. You can see, okay, now we can again implement the proper function here, and we can select cell B2, bracket close, and then press enter. You can see here all string in this text first letter is uppercase and all other are lowercase. You can uppercase, you can see all the strings are converted into uppercase now. I hope this video is very informative for you. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and press on bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you so much.